What's up, y'all? This is your girl Kwanda. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a review on this cute sleek bob, perfect for the fall winter weather. I got this from Alipearl hair. If you guys are interested in seeing how I installed it, and of course my little quick review on this, then keep watching and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So of course today I have another wig review for you guys. As you can tell, this is like a little card that came in the box that tells you like how to wash and care for your wig and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to first go in and give you guys a little deets about this wig. So on their website, it's called the Short Bob Straight Wig Human Hair Lace Front Wig. It came in a 12-inch, and the reason I did that was because I knew I wanted to go a little bit shorter, like shoulder length kinda. So I went ahead and ordered it a little bit longer, that way I can go ahead and cut it myself. So I will show you later on in the video how I installed it. At first I was going to keep it the length that it was, but I just went ahead and took my clippers and I did like a blunt cut myself. And so yeah, that's the reason I got it in 12 inches, and it's 150 density. The 150 density, it's okay. I don't know, I kind of wish I would have got it in the 180 just so it's a little bit fuller. My issue is I wanted it to be a little bit more fuller in the back, but I mean, for 150 density, it's pretty good. I like it. I think, yeah, I got a size large as far as the size of my wig. It was a large because I do have a big head. So yeah, I think this bob was definitely or this wig is definitely big head friendly, because I do have, like I said, a pretty large head. And yeah, I think it was the perfect fit. Of course, like I always do, I always end up cutting off like a little bit too much of the lace. So I had issues as far as like right here, trying to get my wig to stay down on both sides. I think I might have cut a little bit too much of the lace off, but I'm still learning how to just lay my wigs and make them look natural. But yeah, it pretty much came already ready to wear straight out of the box. Like I said, the only thing I did was take my clippers and cut it, just because I know I was going for a shorter look. So I took about an inch or inch and a half of hair off. Alright guys, so let's get into the install of this wig. So right here, I am just showing you the inside and how it's made. And I'm also applying my setting powder to my cap, or my wig cap. And right here, I'm using my setting lotion just to kind of lay down the edges so I can get a better view of how I'm going to cut the lace and how I'm going to lay my edges as well. So like I said, this is only like my second or third time doing this. So I am no pro. I am still practicing and trying to work on the technique of making it look as natural as possible. I'm just taking my Got To Be Free spray. That's going to be the method that I use. It's just less damaging to me. And right here is the part that I did not get on camera. So you can see the transition of from when I first put it on versus me cutting it and plucking it just a little bit more. Like I said, I did not get to film that. I'm usually able to keep my wig on at least a day or two with this method, which is perfectly fine for me. That's all I need. I do not like to wear my wigs you know, to bed. And, you know, I just don't like to wear my wigs all day. I like to let my real hair breathe. I like to be able to just apply it whenever I want. So right here, I actually ran out of my setting lotion, so I'm just kind of using water to, you know, sleek the hair back so I can pull out my edges or my baby hairs and see how I wanted to cut them and lay them down. And I did not want to go overboard with the baby hair. I do like a little bit, just because I wear that even with my natural hair. But I tried to make it look good to the best of my ability. Still practicing on that. I do plan on getting like a wig head and a wig stand. That way I feel like I can better fix it and manipulate it the way I want to versus doing it on my head. So because I ran out of my setting foam, I basically just put a little bit of water onto my edge brush. Since my hair was pretty much, you know, already sticky from the freeze spray, it kind of helped out. So now I'm going to be using these little edge wrap thingies. That way I can put it around my edges and keep it on for a few minutes so they can lay down really nicely and be really smooth for me. I'm just going to leave that on for a few minutes. Here I'm just going over it with my flat iron. I just wanted to make sure it's not like too flat, and I'm making sure it has a little body to it. And I'm also going to be taking my coming up, you'll see that I'm going to be taking my electric hot comb, and I'm also going to be making sure the top of it is really flat and nice, because I do want this to be super straight and sleek, and I'm trying to get it as flat as possible so it can look more natural. Right here I'm actually just adding a little bit of setting powder. That way I'm defining the part a little bit more. And that is all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.